Na togo gukwirite hau kabere ni twacokereria na riu tuguthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia iharo-ini riri mashindano ma ngari mathi ma WRC Safari Rally matigaritie oronduko 14 matereba a guku bururi-ini mathiete na mbere kugacirithia ngari ciao orondumwe na kugeria uhoti wacio. Dereva Nihil Sachania agitabania ugeria wa keri wa ngari yake muthemba wa Ford Fiesta mwena wa Stony Athi. Ngari ino ario akahuthira tuikania ikiro 20 rungu rwa ndiku 4 iria mashindano maya magakorwo makioya mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na kuona ikireka ria Safari Rally rikoragwo riri rimwe ria maria maritu makiria hari bata gutigirira ngari ici iri cemba ari kuringana na dereva Sachania.
On Sunday, obviously, you saw the way it was. The car was not performing at 100%. There was major issues. We were not able to change the gears with the throttle pedal at full throttle. As of today now, I can flat shift where, full throttle down and actually changing the gears while the throttle is fully engaged. So it felt back to normal. Obviously, I had to do a few laps because I'm a bit rusty. We have a lot of contenders in our category now. I mean, for us, it's just a matter of making sure the car is performing at its best and us approaching the stages with our minds rather than, just going full out crazy.